Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. Just 6 months or 7 months back, I posted a video and that thumbnail was deceptive assurance. And you know why I put that video? That is because one famous YouTuber, he was promoting cryptocurrency, and recently the cryptocurrency he promoted went bust. It bankrupted. Many investors who put money lost their money, right? And why am I saying this is because there 2 days back or just 1 week back, FTX, a famous cryptocurrency exchange, in fact world's second largest cryptocurrency exchange, defaulted. And this is how cryptocurrencies work. It is full of manipulation. It doesn't work, and one day or not it is going to go to zero. Even when I posted a video about cryptocurrency, many people came and abused me, like I'll wait for cryptocurrency to touch so much that all kind of things they told. Now they have disappeared. Had you invested, I'll tell you in terms of US dollars, had you invested maybe $65,000, one crypto BTC is at $65,000 last year. 1 year back it was $65,000. You know how much it is now? It is around 16. From $65,000 it has come already to $16,000. That is, it has lost 85% of its value. And no matter, and who knows what is going to happen in the next few days, maybe it can go to zero also. You imagine a person, I know a friend who has invested so much on Bitcoin in when it was at all-time high, and he doesn't know what to do. And don't think this is a dip. Buy on dips. If somebody is giving you a tip, buy on dip, and cryptocurrency is going to go up. That is the worst thing you can ever do. Never ever go to things which are not regulated by Indian government. Bitcoin is not regulated by government of India, or for that matter any cryptocurrency is not regulated by government of India. In fact, last week only Indian government came out with a digital currency. We'll talk about that in a very different video. For now, we'll talk about the market. I think markets may be going to touch all-time high. In fact, last 2 or 3 trading session, it has been trying to touch all-time high, but maybe already banknifty is going to touch all-time high, right? So I don't have to talk much about banknifty, what is happening in banknifty. Banknifty is already a lifetime high only. Maybe another 1 or 2 days, how global markets pan out, maybe banknifty will touch a lifetime high, and nifty for that matter is not at lifetime high. It is somewhere around 400 or 500 points below a lifetime high. It is exactly somewhere around 18,000. I think today whole day it was trying to hold above, banknifty was trying to hold above 18,000, but bears were so strong, nifty couldn't hold above 18,000, and I was expecting banknifty also will hold above 41,500. That was also wrong. Banknifty was not able to hold above 41,000. Actually it was holding 41,500. It went above 41,500. This app has closed and I cannot open. If I have to open, I have to bring my phone. That's why I'm saying somewhat of like that. Okay. And open interest, we can see that there is aggressive calls and puts being written. People are writing, I think 18,200 short straddle in nifty, and maybe 41,500 short straddle in banknifty. So this is the nifty chart. It was able to hold above 18,000. What we can understand from this is that 18,000 puts are being written aggressively. So what does that mean? So this means that 18,000 can act as a strong support. Now there is a contra view. Many times I have seen that whichever strike has the highest open interest, that strike people tend to take out that strike. Now what is happening here is 18,000 is having the highest open interest, right? 18,000 put option is having the highest open interest. Now will it be taken out? precisely it will be taken out tomorrow. You see, tomorrow it is going to be taken out. That is how it is working. Contra view works. Contra view, I have been trying this. Contra view really works, and maybe 18,000 will be taken out tomorrow. And in terms of bank nifty, it is just holding 18,000. That's it. If it is just holding 18,000. And bank nifty, even though it closed above 41,500, maybe 41,500 will also be taken out tomorrow. But what is happening here is people are writing 41,500, 41,600 short straddles in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Actually, this is today's data, and today's data will not be as reliable as things. So let's see what happens. I'm sure looking at the global markets, maybe tomorrow Bank Nifty will be taken. We are not getting support from US. No, we are not getting support from Europe, but US markets are all in the green. And there is a very, very important data today, which is the US inflation data and what is that? GDP data. Let me go to the website. Let us see what is happening in terms of US data. And midterm election is also happening. Whether we don't know whether it is Democrats or whether it is Democrat or Republicans, right? I think US inflation data has come. US inflation data is at how much? Okay, just now it has come. Just now it has come, US inflation data, and it has come out 8.2%. So last month it was 8.3, now it has come to 8.2%. Now what is the problem here is, in spite of doing all these things, in spite of, I've told this many times, in spite of US Federal Reserve increasing the interest rate so much, markets are not, inflations are not ready to come down. So what does that mean is, Federal Reserve is going to be hawkish in the near future. Even though they are hawkish, I think we are all ignoring the market scenario. Whether even if US markets are ignoring all this thing, our markets are ignoring everything. No matter what happens, it is really on the bullish side. And 6.6% US inflation, core inflation is at 6.6% for September 2022. This is the highest since 1982. So last time maybe 6.3 was 6.6 is the highest for the last 40 years. So these kind of, in spite of all this happening, in spite of all this market, in spite of regulators increasing the interest rate so much, still inflation and core inflation data and GDP data, everything is not reducing, means so there is something serious, or maybe there is a bubble which is going to burst. We really don't know, right? So we'll have to wait and see what is going to happen. And yesterday I day before yesterday I posted a video that market may be reaching all-time high. It doesn't mean I am bullish, okay? I just put a thumbnail like market at all-time high. Maybe and also it doesn't mean I am carrying any long position. I told you I will never carry any long position. I am always short in this market, or I will find any opportunity to short this market, right? So we'll see how things pan out. As of now, I am not long, I am not short, I am having non-directional strategies only. Anyway, India VIX has also dropped. It is almost near 15. If it comes below 15, it will be very good for our market. As usual, option sellers will make money. Let us see how things pan out tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.